of us are actually looking for legit ways in which we can earn extra money here and there to make up with whatever we are earning from our main job. But do you really know that there are different ways that this can be possible via the social media, via the internet? Hello, welcome back to my channel. If today is your very first time of coming across my channel, thank you so very much. In this video today, I'm going to show you different ways that you can earn extra money by the side. You can actually earn as high as over $20 per hour. And then when you multiply that for like 6 hours in a day, if you multiply it by 1 month, that you will have a better understanding how much you'll be earning. The platform I'm going to show you today, very simple to navigate. You do not need any qualifications for you to be a part of this. Neither do you need any trainings or experience. No. And also you do not need any interviews. You do not need any skills to do this. So if you want to earn extra money by the side, you might want to stick around, and I will take you step by step and show you how this can actually be done. Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Online Cash Craft. What we talk about here is how you can earn extra money here and there online. And if you're like me that love to earn money online, I think you're in the right place. So stick around with me, and I'm going to take you step by step and show you all these amazing platforms that I have today that you can actually use to earn extra money. The very first app I'm going to show you today is an app that is called fieldagent.net. So agent is simply the person that gathers intelligence or data for the caseworker. If you have been assigned to a caseworker, your job would be to be in the field getting the valued information that would help that caseworker in that particular case. So this is what a field worker does. So as a field worker, you'll be assigned to a task based on the location. So you will be out in the field getting information on that particular location and on that task that you've been assigned to do. So that information, or whatever information you're getting, is just to help the case worker with whatever case he or she has at the moment. That's why you are assigned to that particular case worker. So how can you earn being a field worker? The way you earn is simply you go to the platform, you download their app. Now you sign up after downloading the app, and you would have to check for submissions when they have submissions on the platform. Then you pick up the one that you would have to do. But before you decide on the submission you want to do, you would have to first and foremost check the reviews. Check the review and you think that submission is what you can take on, then you go ahead, you take it on. When you are done, you would have to submit your work, and this will be assessed and you get paid. If you want to get the app, you click here that says get the app, and you're gonna download the app. So what is actually Field Agent? What is it? For over 10 years, the Field Agent app has provided a fast, flexible means for thousands of people to make real cash while doing what they are already doing, like shopping in stores and online. Agents gather information for brands and retailers by taking photos, sharing opinions, and completing other tasks to ultimately help companies deliver the best products and experiences possible for people like you. So if you want to become a field agent, you just click here that says become an agent. We're gonna click there in a short while, but let's get more information. Now how it works. Download the Field Agent app, number 1. 2, reserve and complete a job. 3, we check your submission. And 4, you get paid real cash. Just 4 easy, simple steps for you to earn on this platform. Right, there is something for everyone. So these are the types of jobs they have in the app. Number 1, audit. Collect photos and information about in-store product prices and displays. Then you can earn via surveys as well. Answer questions about your shopping behaviors, attitudes, and experiences. And then number 3, buy and tries. Purchase a new product, try it at home and share your experience. That's kind of review. So this is the ratings and reviews. Buy a product, try it, and leave an honest review about it online. And this is another way in which you can earn on the platform. I Spice, collect details and UPC codes about products available in store. Another way is scavenger hunts. Report if and when you find specific products inside stores. Now, mystery shops. Guys, you remember when I made a video on mystery shoppers and how much they earn and what mystery shopping it entails? Now, mystery shops collect information about your experience inside stores. So you can see that this app, they have lots and lots of ways that you can partake and earn real cash. Right? It says, make money while you shop. Our agents complete jobs at major well-recognized retailers across the country. So these are the retailers that they represent. You have quite a big variety of retailers. So they are on Instagram, social media. So where can you find them? We have international partners in the following countries: United States, Canada, Mexico, Ecuador, UK, Spain, South Africa, Australia. Right, so guys, you can see that this is a good place to make extra money online. Right, so let's go check out the one that says get the app. Get the app. You either click here or you click here. Let me quickly say that you can actually download this on your app store, or you can get it on your Google Play, right? So to create an account, it says we only require that you create an account and provide a few demographic details for us in order to create your account within our system. So how do you get started in creating the account? This is it here, guys. After you've downloaded the app and completed your profile, you're all set. From there, you can see available opportunities and reserve and complete them. When you are done, you would have to submit your work, and this will be assessed and you get paid. So how are they going to pay you, and what is the length of time that they're going to pay you? So with field agents, they pay between 3 to 5 working days. Their payment is good, and at the end of the day, you are earning the money and they pay you weekly. So how do you get your cash out? You would have to link a bank account or prepaid card. So with that bank account and prepaid card, that is where they're going to transfer your money into. But you will have to go to the app or online and sign up and get that bank account and prepaid card, whichever one that you are using, to be registered on the platform and to be verified. How much actually do you get paid as a field agent? So if you are working as a mystery shopper, shoppers get paid $10.10 per hour. Working as a computer operator, average that you get paid an hour will be more than $27, and they pay weekly. So if you're getting this amount an hour, their weekly pay, you can now imagine how much you'll be able to get. In cases they pay as high as 1,100 plus in a week, and some they pay more than that, depend on the field that you are on. So how do you now get the work or mission? Because first you would have to download the app, and you would have to put up notification in your email so that when the job comes, they will send you a notification. You would log into your platform, to your dashboard. You will check if you can do the job or if you want to do the job. If you want to do it, you go ahead, you complete the task, get your job submitted for payment, and they'll pay the money into the bank account that you have submitted. This is how easy and simple this is. And guys, I forgot to tell you that you can do this field agent job wherever you are in the world, and you can select your own schedule that you want to do it. The second platform I'm going to introduce to you today is the platform that is called Clickworker. I've talked about Clickworker before on this platform. People that had seen my video before, you really must have come across it. So what do the Clickworker do? All they do is they do the writing, because translating, they do research for data processing. These are the things they do. So how does it work? The Clickworker provide a digital task for the worker to complete and earn. So this is something that anybody can do anywhere you are. You'll be the boss of your own. You schedule when you want to work and when you do not want to work. This is how simple this is. And the pay isn't bad. The pay is very good. Remember, this is side hustle. You are making money by the side to augment probably whatever income you have at the moment. So are you gonna give this a try? Let me know in the comments section. So guys, the next platform is Neevo. Neevo is a platform that they use human to help AI. You know, we all know that AI is like taking over now. So how does this work? You earn money helping AI. That's how it works. So this platform is so easy to sign up, and it is also easy to navigate. Is actually submit their work, their project to Neevo. And now Neevo will need workers, the freelancers, the people who had registered on their platform, to do the work to help the companies that had submitted those projects onto their platform. So you go to the platform, you find a task, and you go through the initial survey or initial assessment. When you are a match for that particular task, you will now be asked to carry on. So they always would have to check if that particular task you're a match to it. If you're not a match to it, obviously they have so many that you will be a match to, and you take that one on board. Now all these tasks, how do you complete them? These tasks can be in the form of text, they could be in the form of audio, images like pictures, or even videos. So you are given such tasks for you to work on those projects for whoever, for the companies that had submitted those to the platform. Now, if you have signed up to Neevo, make sure you use just one PayPal account for Neevo. So having said that, how much do they pay? Neevo pays $20 per hour. You can see it, the pay is good. $20 per hour. If you're able to put in like 6 hours a day, that will come up to $120. If you're able to put in like 4 days. In a week, you obviously be earning more than or close to $500. So this is worth giving a go, guys. After you have submitted the job, it takes them 2 weeks for them to do the whole processing and all that, and they pay you. So they pay every 2 weeks. So how do you get the jobs on the platform? You would have to link your verified PayPal account to your Neevo account. Now, when you link it, you go to the platform, you look for tasks that you want to complete. The moment you've done completing the task and they've approved it that, yeah, that is okay, is what they want, in 2 weeks' time, you get your money paid into your PayPal account. This is how the platform works. So how are you even gonna know when they have the jobs on the platform? Well, the only way you will know is you would have to link your email address. Remember, when you're signing up, you're gonna sign up with your email. So when they have jobs, they send notifications via the email. Now, if you check your email and you get such notifications, what you will need to do is you go back to the platform and log in. Now, when you log in, you choose the task you want to complete. The moment you choose the task and you're able to do the task, you will submit it and you will get paid. This is how simple this platform is. Okay guys, that brings me to the end of this video. I hope you're going to try this website, these amazing websites that I have shown you. Let me know in the comments section what you think of this website and the previous videos we have done. If you have any comment, please drop it in the comments section. Okay guys, let me quickly say, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to support me. And yeah, give me a thumbs up for this video. Don't forget to click on the bell notification so that whenever I upload any new video, the algorithm of TikTok will push it for you to know that I've uploaded a video. You might want to watch that video up there. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in my next. Thank you.